First problem, find the roots of the equation 3x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So the given problem is find the roots of the equation 3x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here we can solve this problem in two methods. The first procedure is applying the formula. This is the formula for finding the roots of the equation, that is x is equals to minus p plus or minus square root of p square minus 4ac by 2a. By applying the formula, we can get the roots of the given equation. And the second procedure is simply we take the factorization, which is a very well-known method to us. So here in this problem, since it is a simple problem, so we solve this problem by taking the factorization here. So first I take the given equation. Given equation is 3x square plus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. We can solve this problem by using any one of the methods. Here I take the factorization to solve this problem. So what are the factors? 3 5 is 15 minus 15 and this value is equals to 2. So the factors are taken as 3x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 5. 5x minus 3x, 2x. 5x into minus 3x minus 15x square. Now here taking the x common, x into 3x plus 5, taking minus 1 common here, minus 1 into 3x plus 5 equals to 0. That is, again taking 3x plus 5 common, 3x plus 5 into x minus 1 equals to 0, which implies 3x plus 5 is equals to 0 and x minus 1 is equals to 0, which means 3x is equals to minus 5, then the value of x is equals to minus 5 by 3. And here in this case x is equals to 1. Therefore the roots are minus 5 by 3 comma 1. That's all. Next problem, find the roots of the equation 4x square minus 4x plus 17 is equal to 3x square minus 10x minus 17. So find the roots of the equation. We want to find the roots of the given equation. So first I am taking the given equation here. Given equation is 4x square minus 4x plus 17 is equals to 3x square minus 10x minus 17. Now find the roots of this equation. So to find the roots of this equation, first of all we have to convert this equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is, converting all these terms to this side, which implies 4x square minus 4x plus 17 minus 3x square plus 10x plus 17 equals to 0, which implies 4x square minus 3x square, x square, 10x minus 4x plus 6x, 17 plus 17 plus 34 equals to 0. We want to find the roots to this equation. So to find the roots of the equation, we have here two processes. The first one is taking the factorization or applying the formula. Here to find the factorization, there is no factors to this equation since 34 into 1 is equal to 34, product is equal to 34 and addition is equal to 6. The factors are not existed to this equation. So we apply the formula to find the roots here. That is, further first I am comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then the values of ABC is equals to, here a is equals to 1, x square quotient, and b is equal to 6, x quotient, and c is equal to 34, that is the constant. And we are applying the formula to find the roots here. The formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now replacing the values, minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square, 36 minus 4 into 1 into 34 by 2a, 2 into 1, and this is equals to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 4 into 34, 136 by 2, and this is minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 136, that is minus 100 by 2, and this is equals to, x is equals to minus 6 plus or minus root 100 is equals to 10 and root minus 1. Root minus 1 means in place of minus 1 we take the value I square. Already we know that I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 100 is nothing but 100 I square by 2, and this is minus 6 plus or minus 10 I. Root 100 equals to 10 and root I square is equals to I by 2. Now taking 2 common here. Taking 2 common here, 2 into minus 3 plus or minus 5i by 2. Therefore the roots are minus 3 plus or minus 5i. That's all. Find the roots of the equation root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. Find the roots of the equation. So first we take the given equation here. Given equation is root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equals to 0. Now we solve this problem by taking either formula or taking factorization. So here refers the formula to find the roots of the equation. So first we convert this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then the values of abc is equals to a is equal to root 3 and b is equals to 10 and the value of c is equals to minus 8 root 3. And the formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now replacing the values here. Minus 10 plus or minus square root of b square 100 minus 4 into a value root 3 into c value minus 8 root 3 by 2a to root 3. And this is minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus of minus plus 32 into 3 root 3 into root 3 3 4 into 8 32 32 into 3 96 by 2 root 3. And this is minus 10 plus or minus square root of root 196 by 2 root 3. Minus 10 plus or minus 14 by 2 root 3. Root 196, that is 14. Now separating the plus or minus sign here, the first value is minus 10 plus 14 by 2 root 3 and second value is minus 10 minus 14 by 2 root 3 and this is equals to 4 by 2 root 3 and this is equals to minus 24 by 2 root 3. Therefore the values of x is equals to the first value 2 by root 3 and the second value minus 12 by root 3 which is equals to 2 by root 3 comma minus 12. Minus 12 means that is 3 into 4 by root 3. Now it is cancelled by root 3 times. So the roots are 2 by root 3 comma minus 4 root 3. That's all. The nature of the roots of the following equations. The first problem is 4x square minus 20x plus 25 is equal to 0 and the second problem is 3x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. So given problem is find the nature of the roots of the following equations. Here two equations are given. We want to find the nature of the roots and here there is no need to find the roots of the given equations to tell the nature of the roots. So it is enough to find the discriminant value to tell the nature of the roots. So in each of the cases we find the value of the b square minus 4ac and depending upon that value we can tell the nature of the roots. That's the procedure. So first I take the given equation. First problem. In this problem first I am writing the given equation here. Given equation is 4x square minus 20x plus 25 is equals to 0. Now compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then the values of ABC are a is equals to 4, b is equals to minus 20 and the value of c is equals to 25. Now we are finding the value of delta, that is here discriminant delta is equal to the formula b square minus 4ac. Now replacing the values, this is equals to b square minus 20 whole square, that is 400 minus b square minus 20 whole square is 400 minus 4 into a value c into c, a value 4 into c value 25, that is 400 minus 400 equals to 0. So delta equal to 0. Delta equal to 0 means the roots are equal and real. Therefore the roots are equal and real. Now this is the first answer. Now coming to the second solution. Second sum is given equation is 3x square plus 7x plus 2 is equals to 0. Again we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then a is equal to 3, b is equal to 7 and c is equals to 2. Again finding the value of delta, that is b square minus 4ac, discriminant value which is equals to b square 7 square 49 minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into 2, that is 49 minus 24, that is 25. 25 minus this is 5 square, 49 minus 24, that is 25, that is equals to 5 square. 5 square means it is greater than 0 and it is a perfect square. Therefore delta is here delta greater than 0 and it is perfect square. So delta greater than 0 and it is a perfect square means the roots are rational and unequal. The roots are rational and unequal. That's all. If delta greater than 0 and it is not a perfect square, then the roots are conjugate sets. But here delta greater than 0 and it is a perfect square. So the roots are rational and unequal. If suppose if you get the value delta less than 0, then the roots are complex conjugate sets.